Okay, so we've got the leaves on, and I lost all the video from when I was doing the flowers on my nails. So I redo it and, pardon me, show you what's up. So there's pink, white, yellow, and orange polish out. And I'm just gonna put on I'm gonna use the stylus this time. I'm gonna put like a little blob of pink. Then I'm gonna go back and pick up the white without cleaning the stylus on. And I'm just gonna swirl a little bit of white in there. And that makes a rose. It's pretty easy. It's all about swirling. I'm gonna keep doing them. And they don't have to be solid. They'll look like flowers no matter what. And if you think you have too much white, you can go back in with a little bit of pink. There, and clean off the stylus on paper towel or something. There. I put black in the instructions, but I ended up not using it. There. You can use whatever colors you have. If you have purple instead of pink, that works great too. So see, it's pretty easy. There. You can't do it wrong. Everybody's swirls will be a little bit different. And the thicker it is, the longer it'll take to dry, which means you won't have to do dishes during that time. So that's not a bad thing, I don't think. So there's some roses, and then I'm going to pick up the yellow. Oh, let's use the toothpick. Here, I've got toothpick. I'm going to pick up yellow with the toothpick, and I'm going to do little dots. There, hopefully you can focus on this. Doesn't really matter where, they're just sprays, so I'm just doing yellow dots in sprays. Like baby's breath, I guess, or like a lupin. Oh, you could do purple dots instead of yellow too, that'd be neat. Purple and white instead of yellow and orange. I just wanted something a little bit nicer. My phone just went off. That was my banker. She's wonderful. She just phoned me. Get in touch with your banking people. Don't be afraid. Terrible times. We can get through this, man. We got this. There we go. A little bit of orange on top of that yellow. Let's see if I can tighten it up so you can see. Push that out of the way. Okay, let's see if I can get it closer. Oh. It doesn't want to close up. So that's it. That's all I did. And then I added 2 coats of top coat. When you're putting the top coat on, I used, this stuff's called Out the Door, but you can use whatever you want, whatever top coat you have. Just anything clear. It could be even a matte. And then I put like a pretty healthy whopping blob on there. And you don't want to overbrush, and you don't want the brush to really touch the art, because it'll blend it. If you leave the brush on there and push down, it'll blend it. And you don't want to smudge all that pretty artwork. So top coat it, and then you're going to let it dry. And let it dry a good half hour to an hour. And then you're going to get up, and your fingers are going to look all dusty and weird. You're going to get up, and you're going to wash your hands in warm water and let it soak. Give it a good wash. Rub them nicely. Nice warm water. Let your cuticles soak in all that water in the backs of your hands. Man, the backs of your hands must be really dry. Mine are pretty dry too. See? So let it soak in all that water, and then you're going to put oil on. Doesn't matter what kind of oil. You can use baby oil. You can use cuticle oil if you have it. You can use, I'm lucky I got some of Kathy's cuticle oil left. You can use whatever kind of oil you'd like. Put that on there. Olive oil, melted butter, I don't care. You put the oil on, you can put the oil on the back of your hand. Let it soak in. Give it a nice rub. There you go, guys. I hope this helps. I miss y'all terribly. Write to me. Let me know what you're up to. I'll talk to you soon.